It's a mystic monkey. It's real as you once told me. Oh, I feel love like my mystic monkey.